Industrial recycling rates in South Africa have slumped after several lockdowns. Worryingly, waste management companies have also noticed a spike in single-use plastics.
Globally, there's been a big drive. You've seen no shopping bags and no straws, a big awareness campaign to reduce single-use plastics because they have such a dire impact on our environment. But with COVID, the rise in PPE, your masks and all your different types of plastics covering material, we've seen a rise in single-use plastic, which is not good.
South Africa produced around 1.8 million tonnes of plastic in 2019. Just 500,000 tonnes was recycled during that time, of which 70% was converted back to raw materials. That may soon increase as government gets tough on rubbish disposal.
We have a new regulation coming in specifically around packaging, which will affect the direct recycling market, the extended producer responsibility regulation, which says producers of materials or products that are packaged need to take more onus on what happens to those products after the consumer has used those.
South Africa's recycling rates are still very low. Over 90% of waste is still dumped in landfills.
$1 billion worth of waste last year was thrown away to landfill, which are actually resources which could have been used into our economy. And in the sense of where South Africa is in terms of economy, those are valuable resources that we could have not only used, but also created jobs.
Waste collectors are vital to South Africa's economy. It's estimated they save municipalities $50 million in landfill space annually.
I'm next to the retails and whatsoever, so cardboard is the one that do well, and the more of aluminum can. Aluminum can, as you can see, I'm around the pubs, yes, and the garages next to me, corporates. Now at least they turn it to be a recyclable material. They can do something and can send to the end user, they do the product.
South Africa is under pressure to increase recycling as landfill space fast diminishes, but municipal solid waste comes from households. But consumers can start helping by separating their trash before dumping it in the bin. Scheier, CGTN, Johannesburg, South Africa.